Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and that iCloud has enough storage. This prevents upload interruptions. Once done, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network and plug your iPhone into power to avoid pauses. Now open Settings, tap your name, go into iCloud, then Photos, and toggle on iCloud Photos. You do this so new and existing photos sync automatically across devices. Enabling it here initiates the first uploads and prepares the library for continuous updates. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, decide between Optimize iPhone storage and Download and keep originals. Optimize saves device space while originals live in iCloud. You can monitor progress in the Photos app, look for uploading banners, or check the Recents album for timestamps like updated just now. Make sure cellular data uploads are allowed if you need them on the go, and disable low power mode because it can pause uploads. These steps control how and when full resolution images and videos. To finish, verify your other devices show the same photos under the same Apple ID so you confirm a complete sync. If some items haven't uploaded, force a sync by closing Photos, toggling iCloud Photos off and back on, or rebooting your iPhone. Doing this nudges stalled transfers. Make sure you check iCloud storage, Wi-Fi strength, battery level, and Apple system status if problems persist. If uploads still fail, sign out and back into iCloud as a last resort. This often resolves stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.